First, I will show you my screw up, Arthur. Okay, I built this plastic room from here to here, from here to here, and all the way up near the top of the ceiling, which I will show you later. And I put this aluminum bar in here where a carabiner attaches to this loop. This goes to the winch, which is all the way at the front of the trailer, and goes around a hoop, which I will show you in a minute. And then the carabiner slides into here. So when the winch is activated, it actually pulls this room out and slides onto these tracks onto either side. Now this is the pulley that I put in the end of the door. There is fake grass on here so that when I open up the ramp, I can also use it as a little garden. This cable goes around this device when you put the device together. Since then, I have dried it out and put waterproof tape on it that no water can get in from the outside. This track is going to be replaced on this side and on the other side, here also seen on the left side, except this track is not going to be aluminum, it's going to be stainless steel, and it will go almost all the way to this track over here, so that there's no way that that the plastic room can slide out of there. Okay, now down the road I'll find a way to lock the plastic room in here so that the wind won't blow it away. I have also put legs on the bottom of the door that can open out, because the gravity, the weight of the leg is heavier at the bottom. It actually almost self-aligns with the ground, except this is for places where there isn't stones everywhere. I actually have a leg that screws in here. So this is one of the legs that can be screwed into the bottom of that leg. There's wood here and a big thick piece of rubber as well, so it won't damage the ground or the asphalt. It actually moves very, very freely there, beautifully actually. And and if it needs to turn a little bit, it can. So this is what it looks like when it's pushed into the door. The cable is there. The other end of the cable is connected to the rod, which goes across the plastic room, which is screwed in from the sides and allows it to pivot. So if it's pulling more in one place or less in another, it can actually rotate a little bit. This is a 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter stainless steel plate that is 4 mil thick or 5 mil thick. With a locked, I want to make a wing nut that has the plastic in between. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but I think it would be wise to make it easier to turn by hand. That's all that's really needed. I've already dried out everything of the hole that was in there, which I will show you now. I wanted to make it removable, but you can see from the damage here that this could not support it when it got caught up on something. So this is going to be replaced by a larger piece of stainless steel, and then I'm going to create a lock nut with a wider or longer leaves on it, so it's easier to turn by hand. So you have a larger support area on both sides of the door. It will act like a sandwich panel, and it will be very strong. Here you can see the leg that was welded onto this metal part here. And this leg opens up, because the weight is at the bottom, opens up pretty straight when I need it to open up. So I can use this part as a chair or a table or whatever have you, and not use it just as a ramp to get in and out of the trailer. So when it's engaged, it actually pivots. The bar pivots like that. It's also screwed in here on the left and on the right securely, so it can pull the plastic room out, which basically looks like that. Now those are filled with solar panels on the top of that, so when I pull it out, it goes all the way to the edge here almost. Okay, and this allows me to do that.